I look like death. I'm debating on doing this while I look like this, but let's be transparent, let's do it. I keep turning the light on. Ooh, oh. Anyway, I keep, it's just not a good look today. Here, like, okay, here's the thing. I see like all of these like very, what is this? Do you see that? Whatever. My breathing lately has been horrific, horrible, terrible. I have been taking my inhalers, taking allergy pills, doing everything I can, and I still cannot breathe well. And when you can't breathe well, that does two things. First off, anxiety through the roof because your body thinks you can't breathe. So it makes you anxious because it sends signals to your brain, breathe, and then you can't. So, number one. Number two, you're tired all the time because you don't have oxygen going to the proper areas in your body. So like my face looks like death a lot because there's literally no oxygen in my face. I just can feel it. I don't know that that's a fact, but I'm just gonna be honest. I know that when I can't breathe, I look like trash. Trash. And then these little snake bites, no, they aren't piercings or anything. They're just like my face broke out like that. Anyway, we're back from vacay. Everything's setting in. We're sunscreened up. We've already had this much water and it's like 10:30 in the morning. So Jax and I are gonna go for a walk, but obviously not without sunscreen and proper protection. I'm going to pick up trash as I go, so then that way I can both walk my dog and get the trash out of my area.
Wanna go for a walk?
I've got a bag. It's small, but we're starting small. I'm gonna wear gloves because I don't want to have LA all over my hands. Yeah, maybe we'll get some reusable gloves, but for now, let's go. I'm literally bringing this entire bag for hand sanitizer and to put my phone in, because I'm gonna have trash bag, Jax. Lazy good boy. Sit. What a good boy. You ready to go? Go for a walk? Oh, did you wink at me? We made it to the park. This whole bag got full by the time we like got out of my neighborhood. And the park is so dirty, by the way. I gotta find a better way, maybe a bigger bag. And this is the park area once I got there. One of the days I'm gonna have to try to go and just clean up the park because it's so incredibly dirty, but it's so beautiful, so it kind of sucks. And like one of the trash cans is completely full, but the rest of them aren't that bad, so they could have just also taken the trash to another trash can. Like, it's not that hard. It's really sad to know that, like, it's trash. It's just garbage, and it's probably like garbage that could make its way to a trash can. I mean, like, we have too much waste and stuff in general, but a lot of what I picked up, like McDonald's cups and fry things, and I know for a fact that it didn't even try to make it into a trash can. I know that most people just kind of ditch it out the side of their window. And then at the park, I'm sure, they just leave it on the table and then it blows away. Like simple stuff. I'm sure if you're watching this video, you don't actually throw things out windows. And if you do, don't. Obviously try to use recyclable materials. If you have to throw it away, throw it in the freaking trash can, not on the street. You know, just the little things, okay? Come on. Come out here, please. No. Come here. Get your butt back here. Don't run away. Thank you. Good news is we're watering the yard in the process. Yeah. Please go nowhere. Grab it. Get back here. No! You're the police. Good boy. boy. He is getting all clean. He's getting all clean. Hello. Happy Tuesday. I woke up feeling like absolute garbage today, and I wish I could say it was because I went and did something really fun last night, but no. My immune system just hates me, I think. So I planned to get up and work out earlier, and then I actually woke up and hit this extreme wall because I couldn't get out of bed, and I wanted to get out of bed, and I couldn't do anything, and I needed to do stuff. And overall, I just can't breathe. Physically, it's affecting my mental health, affecting my physical health, affecting like we're just going back and forth. I'm gonna just go for a walk, pick up trash, and do it with a broken nail, because that's what we're dealing with today. Oh. Well, don't yell at me. You wanna go? We're gonna go. Don't yell at me. You're about to yell. This thing where I left my tripod at work. So I just keep setting you guys up on like anything that I see that I can. So we take this collar off for our walks, and we put this bad boy on, because somebody's a maniac, aren't you? Yes. Yes, you are. Sit. Good boy. Oh, there's my maniac. He's just a maniac. Just a maniac. By the way, get one of these little poop bag things, because you just refill the poop bags in the holder, and it's right there with you. If you aren't doing it that way, you're not doing it right. You're doing great, sweetie. Do you untie your shoes to put them on? Hold on, I'm trying to talk to them, okay? Stop embarrassing me. These shoes never get untied. Oh, look at this distinguished gentleman. You're so ready. All right, we gotta go on this walk. Let's go. Ready to walk home? Ready to go home, get some water? Look at these pretty clouds. I didn't even make it out of my neighborhood today without a full bag again. I guess we'll tackle the neighborhood first, day by day, and then maybe make it to the park to pick up trash. Today I picked up like a lot of candy wrappers, straws, cups, things like that. So I guess if we just keep picking up trash every day, at least hopefully one day there won't be as much trash on the ground. So that's what we're doing. Good morning, it's Wednesday. You'll see my face is really red. That's because I tried to run this morning. Yes, I just told you guys I couldn't breathe, but I had to test it out, and I have a reason for it, and you'll find out in my next video, not this one. So now I'm making some breakfast. Dang it. jam sesh was brought to you by the errands that I had to run, which are currently, again, a secret until I can tell you what's going on. Anyway, I'm gonna go change out of these clothes and put on some comfier clothes because I'm helping a friend edit his book because I like reading, and yeah, that's what I'm gonna work on until I have to get ready and head to work. Didn't do any trash pickup today. We should be back at it tomorrow. Why do you look like this? This is how he stares at me, guys. You were so needy. Yeah. And now we're officially off to work. One of my coworkers, Kyle, and I are doing this challenge. It's not really a challenge. It's like an experiment. Every day we try a new energy drink so we can decide which one the best one is. So by the time this is out, I'll be working on the video for that and you'll see it on a short. So stay tuned. And also drop down below what's your favorite energy drink because I don't have one yet. So stay tuned. Good morning. Jax and I are at the gym, about to get our workout in, and by our, I mean mine. He's just mad that I won't give him a BALL. If I say that word, he'll lose his mind, but I can't give him a BALL because he chews it up within minutes here, and we have so many around because this is a baseball. Excuse you. Rude. Anyway, there are lots around, and he's searching for one. There's literally a bunch in that bucket right there, but he knows he's not allowed to have one. You're not. So workout coming, and then have therapy right after at 10. So let's do this. Let's do this. Oh no, where did you find that? Come here. Where did you find that? Well, probably here in the baseball gym, idiot. I'm gonna have to get that from him. Dang it. So as you can see, I had a pretty successful gym session. I only go to the gym like twice a week right now, just because that's like all that I feel capable of doing at the moment and sustaining, because it's really all about what you feel like you can sustain. So I've been enjoying our walks to pick up trash, and today I actually have to walk to work. So I've got about an hour until I need to leave. I just finished my therapy session, had my second breakfast, and now I'm having my second cup of coffee. I'm about to shower and then take Jax on a small walk. I just did some editing on this video, and then I need to pack a bag. So stay tuned. Hector, say hi. Say hi. Thank you. It's Thursday night. And tomorrow I am going to Kentucky in the morning, so I'm gonna go ahead and upload this video. So happy Friday to you all, and stay tuned for my next video. I have something coming on that one that I think you'll want to see, and then big news coming after that. Victor will just be here sleeping the whole time. He's actually taking me to the airport in the morning. Thank you, appreciate you. All right, I'll see you guys next Friday. Mwah.